Hi everyone, welcome back, or hello if you're new, I'm Feb, and today I'm looking at this one. This is a new brand to me, Beauty Moon Cosmetics. They're British. This is their Ice Maiden palette, which I purchased off of Etsy. I had it in my favourites for a day or two, and then they sent me a coupon for a little bit of money off, and I just thought, you know what, let's try them. I'm not really out for trying any more new brands this year, but I couldn't resist it. Look at the palette. It is a winter-themed palette for sure. The shade names will tell you that as much as anything else. Sniffle, that's adorable. And yeah, I just saw this and thought, what a beautiful array of colours. I don't particularly care what time of year it is. I'll just wear whatever palette I want whenever I want. But this I just thought was right up there. So let's do it. Eggnog, how cute. Let's swatch these shades. I'm wearing a really waffly jumper today, and where I've been leaning, I've got waffle pattern all over my skin. Okay, so we've got 6 mattes and 10 shimmers. So let's do the mattes first. We've got this, oh, that's creamy. Beautiful lilac called Arctic Ice. Oh, hi. Don't tread on my shadows. That was Watson, by the way. Then we've got this beautiful deep shade, which looks like it's called Friction. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. What a lovely teal green blue. That is fabulous. And then Sniffle. Oh, that's ever so pretty. That was a terrible swatch. There we go. And then Polar. Oh my. Their mattes, though. Their mattes are seriously good. Okay, and then Empress. Oh, how pretty is that shade? That's much more of a sort of purple pink. Very pretty. And then Fever, which is a black, so whichever other shade you use. Ooh, what a good black. You'll be able to deepen up with that. Okay, I just had to bribe him with treats to go away. All right, so let's have a look at the shimmers. I'll just go down row by row. This first row, they look very sort of satiny, a very standard shimmer. So let's do Snowed In. Okay, so that is a pink. It's a kind of peachy pink, white. Pretty. In Power. Ooh, that is beautiful. Really nice peach. And then this blue, that is cute. It's very pretty. None of these are squishy, by the way. Not even remotely. And then Fragments, which looks like that and is a very pretty silver. You're not going to even need I mean, obviously I haven't got any primer on my hand. But you're not even going to need a primer for this. You know, no glitter primer required. Nice. Okay, then Superior. Oh, that is lovely. That is super, super shiny. And it's kind of lilac and pink and silver. And then Shiver, which is a very shiny, beautiful blue that you could sheer out. Sugar Plum. This looks a bit more of a standard shimmer. Wow, that is vibrant, bluey purple shade. This Eggnog looks fascinating to me. This again is a bit more of a satin. Okay, it's also kind of iridescent and translucent. That is really nice. And then finally we've got Ice Maiden, which, oh, what a beautiful lilac. That is a gorgeous shade. And Glacial. Let's pop that here. Wow. Oh, that's got holochromes in it. That's spectacular. Okay, so I've just turned the lighting down a little bit, believe it or not. And look at the holo in that. It is absolutely stunning. You can really see it quite well on an angle. And as for this blue, it's blue straight on, that flash. Whoa, it's almost iridescent. It's quite, you can actually see my skin through it. but when you turn that flash, same with this pink gold, a really gorgeous formula they have. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this. And these, lovely. Also, by the way, just as a by the by, they sent me one of their lipsticks. It's called Lip Icon. This is number M32. And I'll show you what it looks like because I've already put it on and it is an awesome shade for my pale skin. And it doesn't take too long to dry down, sort of standard, you know. And it lasts for ages. Kissing, eating, drinking, all good. So highly recommend. And again, I'll be looking for more shades of this. Okay, I will call that the end of this video. Say thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you soon for the next one. Bye for now.